Meet Breeze, the VoIP app that's custom branded for your business. Are you offering long-distance service or thinking about starting your own VoIP business? If so, you've probably already started thinking about how to design your own mobile app, just like Joe. Meet Joe, the VoIP entrepreneur who wants to bring all of his long-distance services to one easy-to-use branded mobile app. Joe sells long-distance VoIP service to residential users, business users, and calling card users. All of his customers have one thing in common. They all use a smartphone for everything. Joe needs to publish his own mobile app that his customers can use to access his VoIP service from their smartphone. Joe tries hiring developers overseas, but quickly realizes they can't deliver what he needs. Joe looks into becoming a reseller for another app, but he can't make money that way or get the quality he needs to keep his customers happy. Finally, Joe discovers Breeze by IPsmarx. The Breeze app is already built, reliable, and well tested in the marketplace. All Joe needs to do is provide his logo and branding information, and he'll have a custom branded app with all of the features he needs without breaking the bank. The Breeze VoIP app allows users to make and receive calls using their data plan rather than their expensive wireless plan. His customers can use voicemail, call forwarding, and call waiting within the Breeze app, just like they are used to with Joe's residential service. Joe can assign phone numbers to his customers so they can receive calls on many different area codes. This is a great feature for his customers who do a lot of international business or have family overseas. Each of Joe's customers can set up preferences for VoIP calling. His customers can define settings so that all of their calls go through Joe's VoIP service, or only some calls go through the VoIP service. This way, they don't even have to open Joe's app to use the VoIP service. They can dial directly from the standard keypad on their Android phone, and calls will connect through Joe's VoIP service, saving them money and putting more money in Joe's pocket. Joe's customers can use the video calling feature to make video calls to one another. They can also use the IM feature to chat with each other. Joe's not worried about voice quality because his system includes G729 codec licenses, allowing his customers to use less bandwidth when using his VoIP app and still having optimal voice quality. His customers can easily recharge the app by credit card automatically, through his website or over the phone through an automated IVR system. For regions where credit cards are not widely used, Joe is able to offer recharge services through vouchers for cash-paying customers. VPN tunneling is also available for regions where VoIP may be blocked. For Joe's customers who may not want to use their data plan to dial out, he can use the IPsmarx PINless call-through dialer, which uses pinless technology to make international calls cheaper for the customers. Using the call-through dialer, Joe's customers will still make calls conveniently using the keypad on the app. But behind the scenes, the app is dialing a local phone number and accessing Joe's pinless service to complete long-distance calls. In this case, the calls still show up as local calls for the customer on their cell phone bill, but in fact, they are making international and long-distance calls using Joe's mobile app. To attract new customers, Joe can offer a promotional credit for first-time users. He can give $1 free to new customers, for example, and he can benefit from additional ad revenue by using the mobile advertising feature option for Breeze. Let's not forget Joe's business customers. Many companies are moving to a remote workforce model, and they need a solution for their employees to communicate on the go. Breeze is integrated with the IPsmarx IP-PBX solution, allowing employees to use their Breeze mobile app instead of a landline or physical IP phone. They can make and receive calls, dial by extension, and even use call transfer. Now that Joe can bring all of his VoIP services to a mobile app, branded just for him, he can increase his customer base and his bottom line. Test drive the Breeze application to see how implementing your own custom branded app can improve your VoIP service today. Contact IPsmarx to learn more. Call us at 703-779-2055. Email us at info@ipsmarx.com.